Hello. So today we are talking about the problem given in array element. Find the sum of sub array length of k. Okay. So what is the problem? So basically, you have to find the sum of sub array, that is length of k. So let's say now here you can see the k element equal to 5 means we need to find the sub array that gives the maximum sum from the array. Okay, so let's say consider the k is 5. Okay, so basically before going to optimization we should know the brute force approach. Okay, so until and unless you don't know the brute of force approach, then you will not able to find the optimized solution. So today we are talking about the how to find out this maximum sub array of size k with the help of brute force approach, because I am sure many people don't know, right? Going jumping to the optimized solution is not a right correct approach to learn the DSA. So if you want to basically understand the problem, first understand the brute force approach, how we are solving the problem with the help of maximum time limit or time complexity. Okay, so now let's coming back to the our problem. So k equal to 5 and the array size is 10. Okay, I have just used the hard coded for understanding purpose. Okay, so this is the very simple way to understand this. Okay, now so here you can see okay, so this is the 10 element. So to understand this, I will try run through this through the element. Okay, so first approach. Okay, so when we say k means, okay, first k, let's say consider the first k. Okay, if you see minus 3, 4, minus 2, 5 and 3, so if we consider sum of this number, so what will be the, okay, for 7. Okay, so if you consider the sum of first 5 element. Okay, sum of first 5 element. Okay, so minus 3 and 4 minus 2, 5 and 3. So if you consider this length, okay, so 7 is the sum of this number, but it won't work. Okay, so there are other element, because but initially we can consider this as a first output. Okay, now so let's skip this and consider next 5 numbers. Okay, so next 5 numbers are these. Okay, now here what is the uh, value of this sum, so we can consider 8. Okay, because minus minus 2 are right, 4 cancel and 9, 5, 3, that is 8. Okay, now this is again right, more maximum value. Okay, so now consider next 5. Okay, next 5 numbers are next 5 numbers are these. Okay, one more is missing. Okay, let's add 8. Okay, so now consider minus 5 and minus 2. Okay, so it will what will the value of this? Okay, so 12. So it is sum is 12. Now next is 5, 3 minus 2 and this one. Okay, so next 5 elements sum is minus 2 cancel. Now 8 plus 8, 5 plus 3 8 and plus 8, that is 16. 16. Okay, 16. Okay, now next 5 elements. Okay, let's this is the max sum we found. Okay, now this coming to next, what is the sum of this? We can see right, 8 plus 2, minus 2 minus 2, 3 cancel, now is 10. so it is again lesser than the previous sum. Okay, now the answer is, if you think about this, this is the 16. Okay, now let's consider next five elements. If we consider this five, okay, this is, so minus 2 and minus 1 get cancelled, then 8 plus 3, 11. So maximum answer is 16. Okay, answer is 16. So this is the answer. Okay, now coming back to, this is the just dry run. Okay, so this is very important phase while understanding the problem, means finding the solution for considering some set of array element. So that is very important than this one. Okay, so this is just dry run with some specific right, with some data set. Okay, this is again very important thing to evaluate our logic. Okay, so that is required. So now let's go through the brute force approach. Brute force approach. Okay, so when we interviewer ask you to find the solution, at least you should know the brute force, then you can go optimize, or you are not able to implement the optimized solution, then at least you show, right, give some right solution, right, multiple solution to find the optimized solution. But if you are not able to that, you are able to say or explain the optimized solution, that is again very different impact in the interview. Okay, so this is, let's say, consider answer is minimum value in integer. Okay, so int min is the very lesser value. Okay, now this is, I am use as a, right, hard coded 10 as a sum, and there's 10. Okay, this is not a perfect solution, but just to understand the solution, how to find out the through the brute force approach. Okay, so this is first solution for start. Okay, and second is, right, end. Okay, these two loop required. Okay, why two loop required? Because we need to iterate through all the elements. Okay, that is why we need. Okay, so let's say here you can see first phase, right, we need start point and end point. Okay, then we need to calculate the sum. Okay, so this start and the end, then sum equal to 0. But so until and unless k equal to, right, at least we need, right, k element. Okay, at least we need k element. So okay, in this first case, this loop, right, this loop until and iterate till the 5 element, then, right, will not go through this. Okay, so first is for starting value, second is for, right, end value. Okay, till the right one, let's say 0 to fourth index of the element. So that is why this. And if n minus s plus 1 is equal to k, then go for the sum and assign the answer. Okay, if answer is max or sum is max than the answer, then assign this loop iterate all through the all the elements. But this need to understand the brute force approach. Okay, so when it goes only once in a loop, okay, this goes here, this condition satisfied only once. Okay, so that is what this is required. Okay, so when it comes here, right, in this loop only once this condition satisfied, then calculate the same, uh, and then uh, identify the maximum answer, maximum sum. So let's run this logic and find the solution. So here is the 16 is the answer. Okay, so this is what about the, right, to understand the brute force approach. Okay, so we'll see you in the next lecture, next video, about the optimized solution. So thank you so much.